to our reaction to the Rembrandts, and we are going to react to their song "I'll Be There for You."
If you don't know which song this is, Kirti, you can listen to it and you'll know.
Okay.
It's one of your shows that you used to watch years ago.
Okay.
Favorite shows, along with Seinfeld. Incidentally, it would come back to back in those years.
I know.
So I think you'll remember it. I've definitely heard it, but
Okay.
it will be interesting to read the lyrics on the screen. I think it's a lyric video, and so listen to it carefully and share our thoughts on it. Because otherwise, we only see it as a theme song of a show.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought you down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me, since you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, the best with you. Yeah. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, even your year. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Wow, one of the most adored songs of the last century. It has
90s,
to be.
yeah.
Okay, the decade you're reducing it to. Let's stick with that.
1994.
Yeah.
In my estimation, it must be one of the top 3 songs played on TV.
Yeah.
Top 3 songs, because Friends has been in countries such as Kuwait, has been in countries such as Japan, has been in India, has been all over Europe, the TV show. So this by far must be, in my estimation at least, top 3 songs played on TV in the last 30 years.
And you simply know this song by the guitar tune that starts it all, that bass guitar, the intro itself, you know it is the song that you're going to listen to.
Is it the bass guitar
I
or is
think
it the
it's
lead
bass,
guitar?
right? I could be mistaken, but I like that guitar. I definitely like that sound of the guitar, the way it all starts, and then wow, what great lyrics also it has. It talks deeper. To be very honest, when it comes in the beginning of the show, I never paid attention to more lines than "I'll be there for you." That's all.
Yeah.
I didn't even know
No,
first
they don't
were there
play-
for me too.
they don't play the
only
whole
play
song, yeah.
few lines, but
They
I
just
think
play
first verse
one
they do.
quarter of it, yeah.
The first verse they always did, and nobody I think pays so much attention apart from them dancing and all that. You know, every season. I
Certain
think they would
shots
change.
played of
Yeah.
previous episodes.
Yeah.
They clubbed them together to, in the future seasons.
There was a
and-
year over here in Mumbai, Comedy Central played this show 6 months first, every single night, 1 hour or something like that, episode by episode, and then another 6 months of the same year, again repeat of the same. So we watched it, and both times people watched it sitting over here.
Yeah, millions of people probably
Yeah,
watched
young
it.
people.
Not just now, but even when it used to come earlier on Star Plus at that time. I think it was very, very popular.
At least my generation, I
Star
think
Plus,
it was
and then
now.
it became Star World later on. Very, very popular. Yeah, what happened to these guys? I mean, they're so talented.
Yeah,
Listening to them today for
Rembrandts.
they're amazingly talented. But I don't think I've ever heard of them ever apart from this song. Who are these guys and what happened to them? Did they die? What happened? Because it's strange, when you're so talented, how can you not have more songs which are known?
Or did they get enough royalty that they didn't have to make music forever?
Probably. They may not have got royalties. I don't think they would have got
I
royalties.
hope they got it.
They would
Because
have got
this
they
played
just
a
would have
lot.
got one prize for the.
I hope they got
why would they
royalty.
get royalty?
Should be royalty because Friends always comes and their music starts it.
But that is not because they wanted to do it, right? Somebody selected it and paid them for it upfront.
Right. This is good. This is good stuff. I like how it is all sung. When we were young, nowadays I don't know what is happening. There is no friendship to be seen in the younger generations. But friendship was a big deal. Big deal when I was growing up, when you were growing up, and I think people before that also. People used to always look for ways how they can make their relationships with a friend better. Now here, when that line he says that I'll be there for you, and at the end that line completes it because you're there for me too. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yeah.
All of these things we were taught in school. Nowadays, I don't think the teachers are teaching anybody about friendship because they are too
I
bored
don't
to do
think
their
back
job.
then also they were teaching
No,
about
they were
friendship.
teaching us. We learned it from our teachers, all these things. Yeah.
You learned it from teachers.
Yeah.
I mean, generally life was that way, right? At
Yeah.
home, we would all grow up in that kind of environment where friends were always around and were part and parcel of our life.
I remember when we had problems among friends in school, sometimes teachers also felt they had to intervene and get us together.
I like the substance in the song though. It's got a lot of substance in there about friendship
Yeah.
and about life in general. When you're always stuck in
I
second
know.
gear,
Yeah.
and it seems to perpetually be that you're in second
Yeah.
gear. It starts from a day, then it goes to a week, to a month, to a year, and
And
then
it's not
even a
getting
few
better.
years. So whenever all these times are there, your friends are the ones.
But in today's
the
time-
closest friends are the ones who are always there. But in today's world, in 2021, with social media and social networking and all that, and smartphones dominating our conversation, is a major tool used for communication. 90% or more of communication in 2021 happens through the smartphone. And this is a fact from various sources, not just one. But the 2020-21, you can say, not just this year. But the fact is that despite that, the friends are the ones who actually bring us down.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate what has happened in most situations. In today's world, if you see, the friends, so-called friends, are the ones who actually bring you down in more ways than one. Not just in an emotional way, but they drain you. With all their thoughts and their agendas and their manipulations, they
comments
drain
and-
you.
yeah.
They drain you emotionally, physically, mentally as well. And that's why loneliness is at an all-time high. Suicide rates have skyrocketed in
Yeah.
the last 2 decades or so. You have a huge amount of jealousy. Jealousy is crazy. Nobody talks about jealousy, unfortunately, or at least not as much as we should be talking about it. It's such a serious problem in the world today, jealousy. There's so much jealousy among friends today, among peers, colleagues, family members.
Even siblings, yeah.
So much jealousy oozing out of our veins, jealousy flowing out of our mouth, jealousy being typed out of our keyboard, smartphone keyboards or actual keyboards. There's so much jealousy. And among friends, it's crazy. There's so much jealous. Upstairs neighbors, downstairs neighbors being jealous of your success, being jealous of something you own, being jealous of how you live your life. There's so much jealousy in this world. You live in an apartment building in Mumbai or Chicago or New York, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, or London, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. There's so much jealousy. Nobody talks about jealousy. Jealousy is the number one troublemaker in the world today.
you know, if you're doing too well, your friends are jealous of you. If you aren't doing well, you're perpetually stuck like that.
Friends,
Nobody
neighbors,
wants to be around you.
peers, family members, all are jealous of you. in
No
today's world.
state is better state in today's time. If you're in a rut, nobody wants to bring you out. They think it's too much hard work. Why should I be with this person? He's no good to me. And if you're doing too well, they're so jealous they can't stand it.
So this year comes a song which is so refreshing. It was accepted even in the 90s beautifully
Yeah.
because it talked all about being there and the show personified that.
Yeah.
So it was a great fit for the theme song
Okay.
of the show. It personified that because every episode almost it was all about friends and neighbors. Incidentally, they were also neighbors, most of them. So friends and neighbors reaching out, helping each other in the times of need, being there, listening, talking, and also having fun. You know, it was mainly about having fun together. The ups and downs of city friends or city neighbors, people who live in apartment buildings, their lives and on rent, most of them, how the ups and downs of life. And the friends being there with them through thick and thin.
Okay, ironically, even though Ross and Rachel were supposed to be the star couple of the show and the friends, who was your favorite? I know who it is, and that will be mine too.
I don't know. I think
Let me guess.
your favorite will be different from mine.
Okay, tell.
My favorite is Joey.
My favorite is Joey too.
I thought you would say Matthew Perez
No,
character.
that was Chandler. I like Chandler, but Joey was my first favorite. Topmost is Joey, and after that, Monica, then Chandler, and Phoebe.
You know, the joke of it all is most people will agree with, at least the men, most men, and even some females like Kirti,
Right.
will agree that Joey was like a star of the show
He
in his own
was.
right.
I liked him
And
more.
how you doing? The way you would say that was
Yeah,
incredible.
it is sideways.
But the fact is, you know, look what happened after the show.
I know.
Joey
That's exactly my
was the least popular of them in real life
Yeah.
until today, unfortunately.
Yeah. And Phoebe too, to a certain extent, but
Phoebe,
Phoebe was a
Phoebe
weirdo.
came in a lot of big movies and she came in web therapy, you know, something which I do.
I didn't like
I've
it
been
so
doing
much.
web therapy
Didn't
for
connect with
way
it.
before the show started.
Yeah.
From India, my little bedroom in Mumbai, India, I've been doing web therapy from
Long
1999.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's nothing new for me, but she's been the star of that show for 4-5 seasons, I think. I don't know if it's still
In
running.
fact, certain times I thought there was an overdose of the romance between Ross and Rachel, and it was drowning the show because it would get utterly boring. Those episodes when it was only
There's
about
too much emphasis on
Yeah.
it. Too much emphasis on
I
it.
liked all together.
And that actually ruined the show
It
towards
used
the
to
end.
make it very boring.
It probably lost a lot of viewers all over the world.
They had also grown pretty old, so
And of course, at that time, there were other big shows that were already
And
running.
catching
There
up,
was Frasier, which I loved. There was Everybody Loves Raymond, which I loved. And one which we both love till today and still watch it whenever we get the time or whenever it's on, Seinfeld.
the Seinfeld I think had almost gotten over by the time these
Yeah,
people
by
came.
the...
Yeah.
No, not gotten over. It's 94. it started.
91 it started.
94 this started. So
Yeah.
it was not over. It was
Yeah,
just the
it
fourth
wasn't,
season
Yeah.
of Seinfeld. Fourth or fifth season. So it was still 4 years remaining. Anyway, that's it for this
Too
one.
much.
Lot of nostalgia, a lot of sharings in this one. Great song. Let us know in the comments if you know anything about the Rembrandts. We don't even know how to pronounce the name, to be
Yeah.
honest. Whatever happened to them? So talented. It sounds so good. So many great
Please tell me it's
instruments.
the royalty.
The guitar, the drums, the vocals, the lyrics. It's
It's a perfect song.
beautiful. It's a perfect song for a great TV show.
Yeah.
So let us know more about these guys. They deserve more appreciation than just being known as a friend song. That's it for this one.